Hey there! If you won't touch your Excel construction schedule because you're afraid it might break something, you've outgrown spreadsheets. And the truth is, it's costing you more than you think. A lot of construction teams start managing their projects in Excel because it's familiar and a tool their team has easy access to. But as your projects grow, your schedule gets more complex, and that means a lot more moving parts, more trades, more dependencies. At a certain point, Excel goes beyond just getting harder to track your work because it starts working against you. In this video, I'll walk you through the clearest signs your construction schedule has outgrown spreadsheets. Let's jump in. One of the first signs is when your version control starts to get messy. This is when you've got multiple working files with different names like Schedule Final version 2, Final version 3, Updated Final, this is the one. There's just no way to keep track of all of these. You've been exporting PDFs and emailing everyone updates, and you're just hoping everyone is looking at the latest version. But in reality, what happens is you wind up with different people working off of different schedules, and that creates absolute chaos for your project. Now, you're not only risking the wrong people working on the wrong thing at the wrong time, but you're also wasting a ton of valuable time just sifting through all of these versions to figure out which one is current. If your construction schedule looks like this, it's a ticking time bomb where an absolute disaster is just waiting to happen. You've outgrown spreadsheets and need to graduate to a better solution for your project. Another sign is when one small change in your schedule turns into a lot of manual work. Maybe a delivery gets delayed, or weather pushes a task back. Whatever it is, you now find yourself updating every start date, every end date, and every task that follows. Nothing in your Excel schedule adjusts automatically, and the bigger your schedule gets, the easier it is to miss something. Every manual move and update is another weak link in the chain where a simple incorrect entry is costing you time and costing your project money. If you spend a lot of time making tedious updates to your schedule, you've outgrown spreadsheets, and it's time to move on to something better. The next sign is that you keep running into situations where you're relying on hacks and workarounds to keep track of everything. You're tracking material lead times in a separate document that isn't tied to the installation schedule. You've got a third document to track the project subs and equipment for your project. You can't easily see the schedule's critical path. The reason is that Excel just isn't built for how construction actually works, and all of this disparate information is creating more risk that you can't easily see. So that means the risk shows up late, sometimes too late. If you need to keep track of your project with multiple documents held together by duct tape, then it's time to move on from spreadsheets and into a true solution that keeps your whole schedule and all of the risk visible. A clear sign that your Excel construction schedule isn't working anymore is when the field and the office aren't working off the same reality. Your spreadsheet might be fine for the office, but on-site, superintendents and subs don't have a clear, real-time view of the schedule. Spreadsheets are hard to access on-site, so you're calling, texting, and chasing updates just to confirm what's happening tomorrow, today, what happened last week. All of this back and forth is just another weak spot in your schedule's armor. In order to make sure the right things get done by the right people at the right time, everyone needs to have access to a current schedule at all times. An outdated schedule is your project's enemy. So if you find yourself constantly playing phone or email tag to send or receive updates on your project schedule, then you've outgrown spreadsheets and need a better solution. When you've outgrown Excel, managing your project starts to feel like an endless stream of putting out fires. You're constantly reacting to your project instead of planning it and managing it. The schedule becomes this thing that lives in your head and not in a system, and you're spending more time chasing updates than actually managing the project. If you're seeing any of these signs in your project, it's time to graduate from Excel and the stress and headaches that come with it, and into a schedule that grows with you and your project. This is where TeamGantt can help. Instead of sending PDFs or juggling file versions, everyone can work from the same live schedule. You can invite collaborators on the project or send a simple share link that allows people to view your schedule without a login. Choose what you want to show or hide. Share it with anyone. One link. Always available and always up to date. No more guessing which version is right. When something changes, you don't have to rebuild the whole schedule. You can move a task or group or even your whole project in an easy-to-use timeline with simple drag and drop. You can also add dependencies and set custom lead or lag times, so when one task moves, the connected tasks move with it, and everything downstream stays aligned. And if anything ever does get out of sync, your dependencies will turn red, so it's easy to see where your schedule has an issue. You can also lock milestones in your project to make sure that these key dates stay where they need to. Speaking of dependencies, TeamGantt helps you connect the tasks the way the job actually flows. And when the schedule changes, your critical path updates too. With one click, you can see the tasks that control your finish date, so you know exactly where delays will have the biggest impact. TeamGantt also helps you track materials right alongside the installation tasks they support. So if the schedule shifts, your material lead times stay connected to the work instead of getting buried in a separate spreadsheet. That makes it easier to see when something needs to be ordered, when it needs to arrive, or what could put the schedule at risk. And when those schedule changes affect your subs, you can ping them with a click of a button to verify they'll be there when you need them. No more chasing confirmations across calls, texts, and emails. And to keep your field team aligned on your schedule, TeamGantt also has a mobile app. They can view, comment, add photos, and update anything from the field, and it all works in real time with your construction schedule. With TeamGantt, instead of reacting to problems, you can see them coming and adjust before they turn into delays. This is the difference between managing a schedule and constantly fixing one. Try it for free today. So if your schedule is getting harder to manage instead of easier, pay attention to that signal. It means it's time for something built to handle how construction projects actually run. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this, and we'll see you next time.